Whew, we're done with this section. Now, let's review what we've learned. And before I do that, I'm going to tell you something that is counterintuitive. Don't apply to 1,000 positions online just sending out your resume everywhere. That's what most people do. Instead, pick 5 to 10 companies you want to work for and fully target and focus on applying to them. You see, that is the main goal that we started with. Increase our chances of getting an interview. All of our actions create that, and a week's worth of work will set us up for future success. Setting up something like a good resume, LinkedIn profile. We keep our options open as people contact us. Like I said at the beginning of this section, most of this should take you a week to set up. As you go on and you may get feedback, you can keep updating things. The only thing that may take you longer is perhaps 1 to 2 big projects for your portfolio. But that is a good investment because not only are you learning how to build things, but it will give you things to talk about in the interview, and you're actually coding instead of just typing up a resume that doesn't really help you as a developer or an engineer. We talked about email and contacting people directly and getting referrals as a better way to apply than being completely anonymous. We talked about how to overcome the lack of experience. When you're ready to apply, the short answer was now, and where you can find jobs and the most efficient way to apply. If you've noticed, the focus is on quality over quality. Even though I said it's a numbers game, your time is better invested in focusing your approach. All right. That's enough. I apologize for this section. I know it's not the most exciting section. It's really hard to make resumes exciting as a topic. But we're going to get to the actual fun coding technical part now. So thanks for sticking with me. It's going to get a lot more fun. And I'll see you in the next section. Bye-bye.